The exit sign is mandated in buildings across Australia. Specified in the National Construction Code of Australia and required by state legislation, their purpose is to guide people to an exit when a building's power has failed, such as in an emergency. Exit signs are on 24/7, consuming electricity, generating emissions. They're required to remain illuminated for 90 minutes after a power failure. Electric exit signs do this with a battery or independent backup power supply. With electrical components and batteries that fail, most last 3 to 5 years and need constant maintenance and 6 monthly testing. You may think, so what? There's not many of them, but there are. Assuming there's at least 2 to 4 on each floor of a building, but sometimes many more, on every floor of nearly every building, in every building in the city, across the state, across the country, there's hundreds of millions in Australia. In offices, apartment buildings, factories, industrial plants, warehouses, shops, hospitals, schools, and in Parliament and town halls. A hidden cost of hundreds of millions of dollars per annum on government, charities, business, and the environment. Each exit sign generating 79 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalents and consuming 88 kilowatt of electricity per annum. Generating eWaste, hundreds of millions of batteries disposed of every 3 to 5 years. So, what if there was an exit sign that didn't require electricity, didn't generate emissions, lasted 30 years or more, was fully recyclable, cheaper to maintain, and met the performance requirements of the National Construction Code of Australia? There is the Safety Path exit sign. Stores light on a photoluminescent wafer, Australian research and development, Australian made, for Australian regulations. Emits light when it's needed, without batteries, without emissions, no e-waste.